Welcome back. It's Ikenna, and welcome back to another session here with me on unlocking creative potential. Today, it's all about support. It's all about support. We're going to be going into it, but as I do before I actually start every session, I love to just start it with taking a deep breath. So, if you'd come with me, we're going to take a deep breath right now to just reclaim our time, reclaim our bodies, and reclaim our mind. So if you'd come with me on three, two, one. Perfect. So today we're going to be going into talking about support. But before we do that, I just want to give a quick recap on everything that we talked about in the last session. So, the last session, we were looking into unlocking compassion. And I went into talking